player, chess player, you can mint money. Mint money, not only money, name, fame, everything will be if you can develop. Last 5 years to 7 years, I go on asking the university, Maharani College, you have 7 acres, 6.5 acres you have, but you are not utilizing it. 14 acres. Oh my God. Madam, 14 acres you can do wonder. You can make 4 courts of badminton court, volleyball court, tennis, cricket. Each and every player will get in lakhs. Those students, they are not intellectual, but they are expert in the games. So their life also the university can build. So my request, madam, we are there with you to support in their education. And only thing is here, you have to take the lead and do. That is one. Secondly, we are running a college in Chennai. Last 78 years. You can go through A.M. Jain College, Chennai. We have 15,000 students studying in the college. And every year 300 to 400 students, they get the placement throughout the world. Not only in India, even world. Even World Bank also they take the students from A.M. Jain College. The reason is that we have given that much facilities. We have PhD, we have doctorate, we have genealogy, PhD, everything in our college. I want the same thing here, which has to be built by you, madam. This is the challenge you have to take. And see, in your term, this all has to be improved. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you.
Young student friends, I am so happy to see all of you in this quadrangle. This is one of the biggest department in our university. I am very proud to say the biggest department in terms of faculty and also in terms of students. Now I could see so many students who have scored very well and got academic excellence, and all the other cultural activity who have taken the prizes from our Kodage Dani and Navi or Uttam Chendi. So you are so fortunate to be in our university. Hearty congratulations to one and all, because you have chosen our university for your education. You all know education is the key to success. So we have a very good faculty in the department. I think all of you clap together when each member of the department is being called through. So you are very fortunate to have the entire department with you. We have a guest faculty, around 20 to 25 faculties in the commerce department, the guest faculty, and apart from our regular faculty who are there with you for all your academic excellence, for all your academic support, for all your other cultural activity support. So I request you all to take up the education in a right way. That's very, very important from the point of view. You have chosen the commerce and management, which is a very good skill-oriented course in our university. So it's not only give you a good education, give you a good skill. Once you are out of your college, your BCom or BBA or MBA or MCom, you will be placed elsewhere. So it's a skill-oriented program, and we have as I mentioned about the faculty, you please make use of the best use of all our faculty for all your academics. And apart from the academics, we also have other cultural activities. I request all of you to get into the cultural activities also apart from your academics. So be a good student, and we have a lot of other issues. As we all know, we are in the university, we are also into the college. So it's a transition college to the university. So we have a lot of challenges in the university to develop the university. So with all these issues, we will take up whatever the issues you come across. We have to take it as a challenge, we have to come out with that. So all the best for all of you henceforth. Thank you.
ದೇವರಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ, ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಶಿರಬಾಗಿ ನಮಿಸಿದೊಡೆ ನರಸುರರೊಲಿದು ಸಿರಿ ಸುರಿಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ತಾವು
Principal Madam, thank you very much for your inspiring speech. You have told us we become what we think. Definitely we will think positive journey. Now the time comes for a special listen to our guest speaker, Dr. Dakshin, Guru Dakshin sir, who is going to
changes. It is not enough to have the good mind. The main thing is one should know how to use it well. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರೇ.
Shastri sir, as we call him, I now invite Dr. Nagendra Shastri sir on stage to address.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎರಡೇ ಮಾತು ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆದರಣೀಯರಾದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳೇ, ಇವಲ್ಲ ದ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದನೇ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ. ಕೊಡನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದರ ಸ್ವಭಾವವೇ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಆಕಾಶ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಳೆಯನ್ನು ತರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ಮಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ವಿನಃ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರುಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೃದಯ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಕೆಯವರು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಅಂಥವರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಂದವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು
ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎನಿಮಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶತ್ರು. ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಸಿರಿ, ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವನಾಶನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ರೆಡಿ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಬೋತ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.